Hello, welcome to this short video by Business Advice for the Construction Sector about the first time the owner of a business cannot cope and decides they need some assistance. Often, new business owners get an accountant to set up their business. The accountant will provide them with assurances they will look after them. They issue them with a cloud-based accounting package which the owner has often seen advertised on TV, and they feel in good hands. The accountant will file the VAT, pay the wages, and do a report at the end of the year, yet you don't feel in control. Often business owners say they will be better off back on the tools. Why is this? In fact, there are two types of accounts: those for compliance purposes, which you're paying your accountant to prepare, and those needed to run the business. Many startups expect their accountants to do all the numbers and are aware that there are two types of accounts. Let's take a brief look at the management accounts, which are needed to understand what is going on in the business. The first part is the gross profit that you make from doing something. For example, if you were an architect, it would be the income that you derive from producing all the drawings in a year, less the cost of someone to produce them. That person might just happen to be you. Think of a business as a separate entity to you, so everything must be accounted for. The second part of the accounts is all the other costs that the business incurs, as if the business had no work, so such things like insurances, office, website, accountants' fees, and marketing and pricing, which again you should be paid for organising or doing. These are then deducted to give the operating profit. From the operating profit, deductions such as tax must be made, after which you have the choice of how much to reinvest, pay as dividends to the shareholders, or retain in the business for a rainy day as retained profit. If nothing else, I suggest that you record your time between fee-earning work and non-fee earning work. If costs are represented in a realistic market rate, then you can easily see if you can afford to pay somebody else to do some of the activities which you're probably doing yourself. Keeping a record of time spent on activities and listing out activities which need to be done will also focus your mind. By capturing this information, you will quickly be able to ascertain how much time you're spending building the business, or if you're just working in the business. In this diagram, you can see all the activities. Those in green generate the gross profit, and those in red are business costs which come out of the gross profit to leave the operating profit. If your operating profit is positive after allocating all the costs fully at market rates, then you have a sound business. But if you anticipate a negative outcome after considering the cost of all the activities, it means there's a problem. The problem can be solved in several ways. I'll be able to help you do the numbers that your accountant doesn't help you with and set you on course to make a profit, even after paying somebody else to do some of the work. What's more, grants might be available to help. If you feel your business is not making enough money, or you're unsure if you can afford to pay somebody else to do some of the activities, then get in touch for a no obligation chat. I'm a specialist business advisor for the construction sector with years of practical experience. I look forward to hearing from you if you would like me to provide you with a bespoke plan to help you understand the numbers. Thank you. Up next, your market.